Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Imagine stepping into your backyard as the sun begins to set, and seeing your garden come alive with stunning, handcrafted wildlife. Today, I am showing you how to turn simple fallen branches into breathtaking animal sculptures. Let's unlock the magic of the golden hour together and create some garden art. Watch as these delicate wings catch the light, dancing softly in the summer breeze. We gathered these fallen branches from our very own backyard to breathe new life into them. Each twist of wire and every bead added brings a sense of wonder to the garden. It is a slow, rhythmic process that transforms simple wood into a soaring masterpiece. Hang it high and let the golden hour sun turn your garden into a magical, fluttering sanctuary of peace. There is a quiet wisdom in the slow crawl of a turtle. By weaving these sun-dried branches together, we create a shell that tells a story of the earth. Feel the rough texture of the bark beneath your fingers as you bind the frame. It sits so perfectly on a weathered stone, looking as though it has always belonged here. This piece is a gentle reminder to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the steady natural beauty surrounding us today. Imagine a tiny choir of birds, frozen in a moment of pure song. Using birch twigs and soft cedar shavings, we can mimic the soft layers of feathers. These little sculptures bring a lively spirit to your outdoor table or shelf. They do not need to be perfect. Their beauty lies in their rustic, handcrafted charm. As the golden sunlight hits their wooden wings, they seem almost ready to take flight, filling your heart with a sudden, joyful melody. Who knew an old tin can and a few charred logs could create something so charming? These busy bees bring a splash of bright color to your garden fence. By wrapping vibrant yellow strips around the wood, we celebrate the hard-working spirit of nature. It is a playful project that turns everyday waste into a buzzing focal point. Listen closely. and you might just hear the hum of summer through these delightful, upcycled creatures hanging in the golden light. Look closely at the garden wall, and you might spot a nimble friend basking in the heat. These lizards, crafted from flexible vines, capture the fluid motion of life. We added tiny electronic parts to give them a modern, textured skin that glitters in the sun. It is an artistic way to use what we find, blending the natural world with the reclaimed. They cling so realistically to the stucco, adding a touch of surprise to every garden corner. Perched high on a sturdy limb, this wise owl watches over the garden with wide, curious eyes. We used old kitchen whisks to create a gaze that feels remarkably alive. The layered twigs form a thick coat of feathers that catch the long shadows of the afternoon. Building this owl feels like a conversation with the trees themselves. It is a guardian of the garden, standing tall and silent, embodying the deep, rustic harmony of the natural world. There is an undeniable elegance in the silhouette of a gazelle leaping through the tall grass. Using long, dark mahogany branches, we have captured that fleeting grace. The intertwined roots form a body that looks strong yet delicate in the fading light. This sculpture is more than just wood. It is a testament to the beauty of movement. Place it in your flower bed, and watch how it transforms the landscape into a high-end, artistic sanctuary of style. Dragonflies are like jewels of the air. And today we recreate that magic with simple mesh and bamboo. Their translucent wings shimmer beautifully against the backdrop of vibrant pastel flowers. It is a delicate balance of materials that feels light and ethereal. As they hang from the porch, they sway with a grace that is purely hypnotic. These sculptures remind us that even the smallest things can hold the most significant beauty when viewed through the lens of art. A coil of wood among the stones can be a striking sight. This snake, fashioned from a single flexible branch, winds along the garden path with a mysterious charm. We inlaid the surface with crushed shells to mimic the shimmer of real scales. It is a bold, unexpected addition that draws the eye downward to the beauty of the earth. This simple piece of branch art adds a layer of texture and intrigue to your manicured Zen garden. Nothing brings a smile quite like a group of playful puppies. Using thick oak branches, we have captured that wobbling, joyful energy of a young dog. Their pampas grass tails wag in the imagination as they sit nestled among the lavender. These abstract shapes celebrate the bond between humans and nature in the most heartwarming way. They are a reminder of the simple joys found in our backyards, standing as a loyal, handcrafted tribute to our furry friends. These tiny cabins are more than just decor. They are a tribute to the cozy spirit of home. We stack twigs one by one to build a rustic retreat, topped with a cheerful branch bird. The upcycled tin roofs add a rustic glint that reflects the warm golden hour sun. It is a project filled with love and detail, creating a sanctuary that feels safe and inviting. Hang them low and let them bring a sense of comfort to your garden. quiet corner of the garden, a hive of activity begins to take shape. This coiled willow structure represents the unity and hard work found in nature. Tiny cork bees with twig wings hover around their handcrafted home, creating a scene of pure, organic bliss. It is a celebration of the ecosystem we cherish. As the sun sets, the textures of the wood become deep and rich, highlighting the intricate beauty of this small, busy, and wonderful world. It is truly amazing how a few old branches and a touch of creativity can completely redefine your outdoor space. From graceful gazelles to fluttering butterflies, these rustic pieces bring a unique soul to every garden corner. If you enjoyed transforming nature with me today, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kira Style Garden for more DIY inspiration, and leave a comment below telling me which animal was your favorite.